Hey guys, and this video we are going to see how to install this hazard switch in our scooter. So this one is actually specially made for scooter. It's a plug and play type which has 3 pins, so you don't need extra wiring or anything as well. So this one is actually a universal switch which comes from Yamaha, Suzuki and TVS. So it actually costed me around 65 rupees online. I got it from Meesho. Also in some local shops you can get this one. So as you guys could see, this is the OE switch. So this is actually the OE switch which came with the vehicle. So this one doesn't has the hazard switch in it. So that's the reason why we are installing this hazard switch. It goes with the same fit. Okay, so you don't need to cut or open anything. So to open it up, you just need a tester or a small flat screwdriver. You can just insert it and pull it out. It easily comes out. Let me show you. There will be a small clip on the left and the right side, so you can just press it up and just pull it outside. It will easily come out. So I couldn't take a video of it because I was holding the camera in my hand. So once you pull it out, you can just pull the entire switch out. So you will find the wiring clip at the rear. So this one you have to just pull outside, so that pull on the sides, so it just opens up. You guys can just open it up and pull it outside so that it easily comes out. So keep this switch as a safety. So on fixing the new switch, just simple, just plug it in as the same way you just removed it. Once you plugged in the wiring, don't fix it into the body panel. Just keep it outside and turn the vehicle on and check whether the indicator is working or not. So let me tell you guys on how to turn on the hazard. Push it to the right and push it to the left, the hazard works. So if you want to turn it off, you have to press the middle button. So this is how this hazard works. Vice versa also you can do. You can turn it to the left and turn it to the right, the hazard glows. So if you're going to off it, you have to just press the middle button. So sometimes it gets tricky when you are going from the left to the right. You will be using two side indicators, so you have to turn on the left side indicator. After that you have to turn on the right. Sometimes it gets tricky, but you have to get used to it. Once you get used to it, it will be easy. So to mount it back, you can just push it in, so it goes and mounts as easy. So to avoid this scuff marks on the side, as you could see, you can use some sellotape or masking tape, so that that impression won't be there. So let me clearly explain you on how this works. Turn on the left indicator and press the center to turn it off, or the right, and you can press the center and it goes off. So if you want to put the hazard, turn to the left and turn to the right, so the hazard works. So it's simple. There won't be any warranty issues or anything such like that. So this hazard switch will be more useful when you are riding your vehicle in rainy season or parking your vehicle on the side of the roads. So as you can see, both the switches are good quality. So thanks for watching this video guys. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.